Apparently there's a bet that I am wearing the incorrect bra size, so we'll see what's up.
We're a collective of 5 artists from across the media landscape united on a mission of body acceptance. Each episode, we'll invite a special guest to be our honorary 6th member and step out of our comfort zones to create missions that champion self-love in all shapes and sizes. Okay, so what do you have for us today?
I think it's time we all go for a bra fitting.
Oh, okay, I'm in. Yeah, no, good idea.
Good idea.
I mean, I feel like we've been egging you guys on for long enough that now that we're here and we want to do these missions, it's time.
Cool. Yeah.
Like, what are you scared of?
I'm not scared of anything. I'm looking, I look forward to knowing my actual boob size. That's great. Maybe getting a bra that actually fits.
I bet Rach and Ash have been wearing the wrong size for as long as they can remember. No disrespect, I'm not saying your boobs look bad, but like...
I think I know.
So you think you know your bra size?
I beg to differ. I know the girls. I beg to differ.
But everybody thinks they know their size until they get properly fit. That's the joke. It's because we're really good at just making it work, and we're like, yeah, this is it.
Well, I usually stick to my 40G, which I think works best for me.
I have been putting myself into a 40C, and I know it's wrong.
I see.
But it's because I like a little looseness around my back, and then the cups just happen to fit because obviously the sizes are not.
I mean, I'm a 36 back girl. There's no way you're a 40.
I'm a 38.
Yeah.
I'm a 40. Yeah. I'm aware.
Just speaking from like a fashion standpoint, like even like when I wear a really great bra, my outfit just fits 10 times better. When your boobs sit where they are, it, you know, gives it accentuates your waist. So I love it.
It's true. Like busty gals are harder to fit. And we have a tendency to pour ourselves into whatever bras we can find. You're taking them to Broad, right?
Of course we're gonna go to Broad. Broad is Sam's store, so it's Ivory's sister Sam.
Broad lingerie.
And all of the cup sizes are from D cup and up.
So who's the 6th for this mission?
Well, Sam, right?
Of course we would pick Sam. She's an expert bra fitter. She taught me everything I know about fitting bras. She's Ivory's sister, and she's a babe.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just obvious.
So does that mean the super sheroes get to meet the bra police?
Oh my God, yes!
I think it's high time that I finally found out what my proper bra size is. I don't actually know if I've ever worn the right bra for my size, you know, at the time.
They've got this running bet. I think I'm gonna win that bet. Considering I do know my bra size, I'm about a 40G. I'm pretty sure I got this in the bag. Pretty sure.
I'd be happy to accept the fact that she knew her size all along. But we'll see what tomorrow brings. I really do believe that confidence starts with your undergarments. Hi friends, thanks for joining me here at Broad. This is Sam, and I would consider her the best in the biz.
Thank you, Belle. So my store caters to busty women because most stores only carry from A to D, where I carry from D all the way to double J. So there's a lot of women out there wearing a size that doesn't fit them so well because they don't have access to a good bra. So the right bra is going to help with back and shoulder pain, it will make you feel more confident, and it makes your clothes fit better so you don't get that double boob effect. I don't know if you know what I mean by that.
Yeah. These two delinquents need your help, okay?
Who sent that?
Who wants to go first?
I will go first.
All right. So if you could put your hands on your hips. Yes. So I think I want to start you in a 38D or double D.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Now, one thing before that happens, I really would like to stay away from torpedo tits.
You don't like a pointy boob?
No.
Okay, we can avoid that.
A torpedo boob doesn't necessarily look good on a bigger person.
I don't know. I personally like them sometimes. So I am a bigger frame. I'm a busty woman. And if I'm wearing like a really vintage look, like it really rocks the look.
It depends.
So
yes, it does.
It just
depend.
depends.
Also depends on what.
And then
you're
on
wearing,
another day, I like them to be round. I'm lucky. I'm a bit of a shapeshifter.
I don't know, for me, it's all about lift and separate. I like a full shelf.
I don't like feeling like my boobs are in my face. Okay, wait, I should take that back. I think there's an appropriate moment for the shelf. If I'm going out on a hot date, the shelf is necessary. So I prefer something a little softer, something unlined, just kind of supple looking.
We've got all types so we can get you all covered. But if
Perfect.
you want to go to the change room, we'll get you in a bra.
Yes, thank you.
All right, you're next.
Yay!
I cannot wait for her edges to get snatched off of this here challenge. I can't wait. She wearing the wrong bra size, I know it.
Apparently there's money riding on the fact that I'm wearing an incorrect bra size, so we'll see what's up.
So I'd like to start you in a 40G.
Told you so.
All right, we were guessing.
So we'll get you started.
Awesome.
So it looks like I guessed wrong. We have a little bit of a stealth boob situation. So you're measuring a lot smaller than you really are. We have the double boob.
Yes.
And I'd like to avoid that. Let's get you in something that fits better in the cup.
That's a good fit. Yep.
That's for you, if you can give that a try.
Sure, thanks.
This is looking pretty amazing. Do you mind putting your hands on your hips? Those wires are outside of your boobs. That band is nice and secure. Is that feeling okay for you?
Yeah.
That looks really good.
That's right.
And were you in the right size? Oh, okay.
Y'all lost your money.
Oh, man.
Technically, she wasn't in the right size. So you were wearing an American bra, and that company, they tend to have a different size system. So they go D, double D, triple D, G.
Yes.
This UK bra goes D, double D, E, F, double F, G. So it's actually a few sizes bigger than the 40G she had on before.
I don't think they won the bet that stays between you and I.
All right.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Yay.
Much better.
That's looking good.
Feeling good.
So I'm gonna take a look here. Do you mind turning around?
It's perfect.
That looks good.
The second bra fit really well. It was definitely an eye-opener. The feeling, it felt a lot different. She put me in a smaller back than I would normally be in, but it still felt comfortable. I felt supported.
So if you guys want to put some t-shirts on, we can see what they look like under clothing. The final test. It's often a good idea to try out a white t-shirt because that's sort of the worst case scenario. It's going to show everything. So if it looks good under that, you know it's going to look good under the rest of your clothing.
Yeah.
Yes, girl.
That's a good fit.
The bra was awesome. It was comfortable. It was totally the direction I was looking for and completely made me feel confident when I was done.
Yeah.
Yay!
Much better.
Beautiful.
I had no double boob. Everything felt sort of in place. So it was great. Really good experience.